I do.
That snake's gonna run out of juice.
Yep. He's almost there. Come on. Take him out. This is awesome.
Oh, it got him in the head. That's it. That's it. Ooh.
I'm sorry, man. I've never seen anything like this. Oh, look at his head. That's what you call a bloody snake. That little squirrel took it down. And there he is, just munching on him. She's like, where you going, man? You're not going nowhere.
Come on, get out of here. Let's go.
Come on, what are you doing? That's his trophy, man. He got stung a couple times. Okay. Good job, man. You fucking took it down. Oh yeah.